Welcome to Act Notes Tutorials. My name is Bert, and I am going to give you a short tutorial on the Responsibility Assignment Matrix. A Responsibility Assignment Matrix, RAM, describes the participation of various organizations, people, and their roles in completing tasks or deliverables for a project. It's used by the program manager in clarifying roles and responsibilities in a cross-functional team, projects, and processes. A request for proposal might request a RAM from a contractor. A RAM is used in project management as a communication tool to ensure that work tasks are designated a responsible agent. A RAM can define what a project team is responsible for within each component of the work breakdown structure. It could also be used within a working group to designate roles, responsibilities, and levels of authority for specific activities. The matrix format shows all activities associated with one person and all people associated with one activity. This ensures that there is only one person accountable for any one task to avoid confusion. A responsibility assignment matrix is displayed as a chart that illustrates the interaction between work packages that need to be done by project team members. Typically, the list of objectives is on the left-hand column with the project team member names across the top. Each work package will be assigned to the appropriate project team member. The chart helps in communication amongst the project team members. There are 6 steps in the development of a responsibility assignment matrix. These steps are: Step 1. List all project tasks and deliverables. Step 2. Identify all project stakeholders. Step 3. Determine responsibility and accountability level for each task and deliverable. Step 4. Assign a stakeholder to each task. Step 5. Assign overall stakeholder. Step 6. Ensure all stakeholders know their responsibility. I hope you found this tutorial on the Responsibility Assignment Matrix informative and helpful. Read the webpage for more information and sample templates. These templates will provide you a great starting point in the development of your Responsibility Assignment Matrix. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial and thanks for visiting Act Notes.